Hey my cookies, I know you read the title. Today I am going to show you how to jazz up canned baked beans. Let's cook. Okay, I'm going to start by adding some bacon to my Kasori multi-cooker. I'm using this guy because it makes life so much easier. I can simmer and bake in here, but you can use a regular pot on the stove. It's cool. But I'm just going to fry the bacon to release that grease. Once we have our grease rendered, now I'm going to remove my bacon. If you want to keep it in, go ahead and leave it in, but I don't like bacon that much, so I'm taking it out and leaving the grease. Then I'm going to add in the onions and bell peppers and just saute them until they're nice and translucent. Now I'm adding in some very lean ground beef and I'm going to brown it. Now add in the baked beans. I've drained the can a little bit, as much as I could, to get most of that liquid out. It doesn't matter what brand you use because we're going to season them our way anyway, so just some baked beans. Oh, and I have my multi-cooker set on simmer. Okay, sorry I didn't mention that. Now I'm just adding in some barbecue sauce, some good old brown sugar, and lots of honey. We want it sticky. Now I'm adding in my Cajun seasoning, and off camera I added onion and garlic powder. At this point, you will transfer your beans from the pot to a baking dish and then bake it on about 325 degrees in the oven, uncovered, for about 45 minutes to an hour until it's as thick as you'd like it. Since I'm using my multi-cooker, I'm just going to switch the setting over to bake and cover it with the lid and do it all in this pot. And how easy was that, cookies? You don't have to fuss with soaking white beans and then cooking them for an hour. Just use the canned beans and spice them up on your own. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. I hope you found this helpful and thank you so much for watching, cookies. Until next time, be blessed.